Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block multiple words from comments on the Facebook app on your PC using the latest update. If you want to keep your Facebook profile clean and avoid seeing certain words or phrases in your comments, this quick tutorial will help you set it up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A menu will appear from there. Choose Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. This will open your main settings page where you can manage everything about your Facebook account. Now, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and select Profile and Tagging. This section controls how other people interact with your profile, including who can post on your timeline and how comments are handled. Scroll down a little until you find the option that says Hide Comments containing certain words from your profile. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now see a text box where you can type in the words or phrases you want to block. To add multiple words, just separate them with commas. For example, if you'd like to hide any comments containing words like spam, troll, or hate, simply write them in the box like this: spam, troll, hate. When you're done adding the words, click Save to apply your changes. Facebook will now automatically hide any comments under your post that contain the blocked words or phrases you entered. And that's it. You've successfully set up the filter to block unwanted words from comments on your Facebook profile. It's a quick and effective way to keep your comment section positive and free from negativity. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more simple and clear tutorials like this one.